Yeah, I'm recording. Alright, Dad, I'm filming. Yep. Yep. Good? Good? I don't know how that guy's doing that speed. Unless that, is that the four knot boy? It is. Yeah, and his water skiing past it. Good dickhead. The remains of dinner. We tried out our catfish stove, the alcohol stove. You can see the links for that. And tomorrow we'll be making some coffee. My sister-in-law went to Vietnam and she bought this wonderful device, and it basically sits on top of the cup like so, and then you put some coffee in there and you put this on top and you drop a bit of hot water in there, and Bob's your uncle, a bit of sweetened condensed milk, and you've got Vietnamese style coffee. And we'll be testing that out tomorrow, so I'll get Steve to film that. And yeah, we had a lovely dinner tonight. Laksa, tuna, 2-minute noodles, crackers, very healthy. And yep, there's a campsite. Fly's set up over, one fly over both hammocks. Steve's in the red one. He's reading his Kindle as we presently speak. And yep, had a great paddle out here, 13 Ks. Jumped off the big jump rock that is a bit of a Sydney high tradition when you go for your rowing camps here. It's about 7-metre drop, and yeah, gets adrenaline pumping. And yeah, we'll get up tomorrow and we'll probably have a bit of breakfast and just have a light paddle down the river and head off home. But it is a very beautiful place to stay. Morning, Steve.
Morning.
I'm filming you. What are you reading?
The Northern Clemency.
That's nice. Morning everyone, it's time for some kooky camping cooking. This is the cat food tin alcohol fuel stove that I made in a previous video. You can click on the link if you want to see how to make it. Simplest design that there is, very easy to make. So we're going to make some Vietnamese style coffee on this little apparatus that my sister-in-law gave me when she went on a trip to Vietnam. So in Vietnam and Southeast Asia, you usually have coffee that's made on coffee grounds, but then they put sweetened condensed milk in it. So it's very different to what probably you or I are used to, but it's a very nice thing to have in the morning, very pleasant thing to have. So yep, we're going to see how that all operates shortly. Damn, forgot the water. Okay, we're going to need the windshield as well by the looks of things, because it's very windy. Okay, we've got our freshly ground coffee. I'm talking to the camera. I'm doing a cooking lesson. Your water. Get our windshield. Okay, now this is going to take about 5 or 6 minutes to boil, and this is, like I said, sweetened condensed milk. You can buy it in a tube. After you open the tube, you have to use it within 30 days, but certainly a lot easier than taking along fresh milk, because you have to keep it cold. And once it's opened, it keeps 30 days if once it's refrigerated, but certainly for a couple of days of camping, you'll get away with it. Keep it in a cool place, and you can have milk in the morning. So, to make this coffee, what you need to do is you need to put about 2 tablespoons of this stuff in the bottom of a cup. Okay, put some sweetened condensed milk in there. It just comes straight out of the tube. Don't mistake it for your toothpaste in the morning. It wouldn't be that unpleasant to brush your teeth with. It'd be quite a pointless exercise. And this device here that you can use to make your coffee in the morning, if you're in Vietnam, you put a couple of heaped spoonfuls of coffee in there. So we'll do that now. And then we just wait for it to boil. Smaller. Do you think it's gone out? No. Son of a bitch. No, it's splashing.
didn't work the first 2 times. What makes you think it'll work now? Still hear it going under there. Try a bowl.
Okay. Cuppa time. We put some of this goop in here, a good amount. Then, unlike last time, where I put the coffee in and then I put this in to tamp it down, which is what I expected to be correct, what that tends to do is it shuts it off because there's no pressure to push it through. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this thing in first. And then I'm going to,
Put the grounds on top.
it's got a thread on it.
What's got a thread?
That's got a thread on it, so you push it down and it crushes. It crushes the coffee through.
Oh, is that what you're meant to do?
I think so. Anyway, I don't think that's going to work. Pour a bit in, let the grounds swell up. I think we're going to have to do the stir through. And then I think we're going to have to go online and look up how to do this, because I thought I knew how to do it, but I don't. Okay, so once the grounds have soaked up the coffee,
It's dripping through better this time.
how can you see what you're filming? Have you just been filming a rock?
No, I've been filming the coffee.
And that's how you make Vietnamese coffee in the Australian bush. Bye! Bao pair probably.
It's a shame they didn't.
Have you got your phone with you?
No. It's out of battery anyway.
Oh! God! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Chili?